right here. It is locked with password 1 2 3 4. Not working. 1 2 3 4. Not working. So what we do here, it's not unlocking. Can you see? It's not unlocking. Just to remove the battery. With the battery here. Set it back. Set it back. You see? So when you press here, 1 2 3 4. Not working. So what we're going to do, we're going to have to reset it before it locks. Star hash 0 star hash. Yes. Let's wait for the phone to reset. Let's wait. So this is, and you're done. And try to check here. So now not asking for password. When you lock it, you can unlock it back. So it is. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more latest updates. Mashallah.